Good evening, everybody. It is December the 2nd, 2018. I have got 4:30 on my little clocky. All right, here we go. There was a 4.8 off the shore of Chiapas, Mexico at 6.2 miles in depth. Believe it or not, USGS said, no, you're wrong. It was a 4.7, but at least they admitted there was an earthquake there. All right, there was a 4.6. Andreaoff Islands, that's in the Barents Sea, at 28 miles in depth. There was a 3.4 Iona Sea at 1.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.2 Indonesia at 29 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 in Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. Alaska had a 4.6. Surma Island, Alaska, that was at 27 miles in depth. And just for your information, there has been 91 earthquakes in the last 3 hours in Alaska, ranging from the 4.6 I just told you to a 1.4. There was a 3.2 Panama, Costa Rica region. That was at 18 miles in depth. There was a 2.9 Western Turkey at 3.1 miles in depth. There was a 2.3 Southern Italy at 1.2 miles in depth. This one just happened. I don't know if USGS is going to upgrade, downgrade, or not even put it up, but we're going to see. 4.2 Peru at 78 miles in depth, and that was from the Peru Earthquake Center. So that is all I have for right now. I hope you're having a great day. The weather's nice here in Virginia, and it's like, let's see here, 71, something like that, according to the my little weather thing on the cell phone. I'm not going to hold my breath. Mine here's saying 68, so it's close enough, I guess. God bless you. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome. That's all I can say. Have a great evening.